So we bring those words into a time of meditation, just allowing yourself to get comfortable, remembering there's no right or wrong way to enter the silence, to meditate, to open the heart. So we take a deep inhale and a full and complete exhale. And as you exhale, just let the shoulders hang low. And again, on the inhale, as if drawing the breath through the base of the spine all the way through the crown of the head. And exhale. And on the last inhale, drawing the breath almost as if it is wind moving through the soles of our feet, up through the spine, through the crown of the head and the third eye, to meet the sun, earth to sun, and completely relaxing and releasing. Just release any tension in the body. And just like you would put a child to bed, create that nourishing energy and direct it towards yourself. Just as we would soften the tone and soften the lights, we do that within. Inviting an opening to receive. An opening to be cradled, to be rocked, to be nourished, to receive. As we sit mindfully in the silence. Grateful to receive, needing no confirmation that anything was given. Just breathing into the truth that when I sit in the silence, there is a great harmonizing that happens. There's an activation of faith. Charles Fillmore called faith the perceiving power of the mind linked with the ability to shape substance. He called love the great harmonizing faculty. And when we enter the silence, we enter into the space of love, the great harmonizer. In gratitude for the time that we've been given, and the time and the form we give this life. Namaste.